Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Poco X3 NFC, and it says NFC because this phone also have a NFC, which is a really weird thing. And guys, this phone is costing around 42,000 PKR in Pakistan market, and guys, in this price range we get a Snapdragon 732G chipset with the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. And guys, also the color I have is the blue color, and you can see, and let's see what is Poco has to offer in this phone. And guys, I am super excited for this phone because this phone give you a 120 Hz refresh rate as well as a 240 Hz touch sampling rate as well. So now let's quickly open this box. And guys, we also get a 1-year warranty card because this phone is officially launched in Pakistan market, and you can see. So now let's quickly open this box, and you can see on the side we have a Poco X3 NFC. Let's open this box. And guys, on the top we got this one more mini box, and you can see, and which contains some, let's see, and we also have a SIM injection tool, and you can see. And guys, inside of this little box we also got a user guide, and you can see, as well as a warranty card, and you can see. And guys, also we get a silicone case with the Oppo X3, and you can see it is a soft silicone case. And now let's put these things to the side. Poco X3 NFC, and you can see. Now let's out the phone from this box, and these are the main hidden feature about the Poco X3 NFC. And you can see we have a Snapdragon 732G chipset with a 120 Hz refresh rate as well as a 6.67-inch Full HD dot display, and also we have a 240 Hz sampling rate as well. And also we have a 64 megapixel AI quad cameras on the back, and also we have a 20 megapixel selfie camera inside the punch hole. And also we have a massive 5160 mAh battery size on this phone with a 33-watt fast charging, and you can see. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see. And guys, you can see that here is the Poco X3, and you can see in this blue color. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we got another than the phone. And guys, in this department we got this adapter. We got a 11 volt with a 3 ampere, and you can see. And also we get a USB Type-C cable with the Poco X3 NFC, and you can see with the red indicator as well inside the USB Type-C port. And guys, we don't get any headphones with the Poco X3, which is a really normal because almost all brands does not give you any headphones in this price range as well, except the Samsung, I would say. And now let's look at the Poco X3, and you can see here is the display on this phone. We have a 6.67-inch Full HD IPS LCD display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. That's a really incredible thing about the Poco X3 NFC, which you don't see in this price range. So guys, now let's quickly show the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we get a speaker, mic, USB Type-C port, main headphone jack. And guys, on the left hand side we get a SIM tray. And guys, now let's look at the SIM tray. And guys, you can use one micro SD card with a 1 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a hybrid SIM slot, and also you can expand the storage. And guys, on the top we got a IR blaster on this phone. It is a really unique feature on this phone as well as a, I would say, noise cancellation microphone and a dual speakers, because this phone also give you a dual speakers, I believe. I'm not sure about that. And on the right we have a volume up and volume down rocker with a side mounted fingerprint scanner as well as a power on off button. It work at the same time. And so now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, you can see that here is the first boot of the Poco X3 NFC, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about the display, I have to say that because it has a 120 Hz refresh rate, this phone give you a one of the best experience in terms of the display in this price range, because 120 Hz refresh rate, it is a really amazing thing on this phone. And guys, I can see the 120 Hz refresh rate madness on this phone, very smooth, I have to say. And also the touch, it is also very responsive on this phone as well. And go to the about phone, let's see the software version on this phone. And guys, this phone it is running on Android 10, and you can see. And also we have a MIUI version 12 on this phone. This phone gave you a 128 GB of internal storage out of 110 GB almost. It is available for you guys right out the box. Let's go to the display, and let me show you the refresh rate option on this phone. And you can see we have a 120 Hz refresh rate on this phone. which show you how is the 60 Hz looks like on this phone compared to 120 Hz, and you can see. And also we have a dark mode, and guys, also the haptic feedback, it is also really good on this phone, very flagship style. Now let's look at the camera. And guys, here is the camera UI of the Poco X3. It is same as the MIUI version 12 that we also find on the Mi Note 10 Lite as well. You can see here is your normal, and also we have a AI as well as HDR. Let me on the AI because I use mostly AI on Xiaomi phones. And here is your ultra wide, and you can see the ultra wide, it is also really good on this phone because we have a 13 megapixel ultra wide, and also we have a 64 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 2 megapixel macro lens. On the front we get 20 megapixel selfie camera, and also we have a portrait mode, and you can see which also work on object thanks to a 2 megapixel depth sensor on the back. In the mode section we also have a night mode as well as a separate 64 megapixel mode as well, and also we have a slow motion on this phone, and you can record up to 960 fps at 720p. And you can see, let's go to the video section and go to the video recording size, and you can see in the back camera also shoot full HD with 60 fps as well as a 4K with a 30 fps video recording size. And you can see it is a really unique feature on this phone in this price range. And also we have a pro mode on this phone. And guys, in the mode section we also have a night mode, and the night mode, I would say it is only available with the main lens. We don't get the night mode functionality with the ultra wide. That's a really bad thing. Let's see the night mode. Front camera, it is available, yes, and the front camera also give you a night mode, a portrait mode, and you can see in the portrait mode it is also work really good on this phone. Video recording size with the front camera, the front camera only shoot full HD with a 30 fps video recording size, not 4K with the front camera. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching my unboxing and my first impression regarding the Poco X3 NFC. I don't have any problem with the IPS LCD display, but again Super AMOLED display, it is much better than IPS LCD display. But we have a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is a main thing about the Poco X3 NFC. And also we have a 5160 mAh battery size. This phone give you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And also the back, it is made up of plastic. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone, but not the fastest. And you can see it take half second. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.